Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best circular saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Milwaukee 2732-20 M18 Fuel Cordless Circular Saw. The Milwaukee 2732-20 is one of the few circular saws that comes with all the features you need to get your job done in the workshop and on the job site, especially on the job site since it's cordless. It comes equipped with a 24-tooth 7-1/4 inch blade like other similar units, but it packs more power and speed, producing 5,800 RPM. Allowing you to cut easily through hardboards. Equipped with a 15-amp brushless motor combined with Milwaukee's patented M18 Fuel Red Lithium high-output HD 12.0 batteries, the 2732-20 offers true power, performance and optimum runtime you need to tackle the toughest tasks on the job site. Build quality is top-notch because both the blade guard and base plate are made of magnesium, which is very strong and lightweight. It will withstand falls and rough job site conditions. Whether you're working on the job site or at home in your workshop, the built-in rafter hook will make storage a breeze. It also features an electric brake for safety and protection when making cuts. If you're a construction worker or a woodworker that work with hardboards and lumber daily, and you need a circular saw to make your job easier, this is one of the best you can go for. The only downside is that it's a bit expensive, especially for the average weekend warrior, so you can't really go for this if you're looking for a budget-friendly unit. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Dewalt DWE575SB Sidewinder Circular Saw. If worm drive saws are known for their beastly power and torque, sidewinders are known for being lightweight and being easier to maneuver. The Dewalt DWE575SB is one of the most compact and lightweight sidewinders out there right now. With a weight of only 8.8 pounds, tackling overhead tasks with it is certainly not going to be an issue for anyone. Apart from being lightweight, the DWE575SB also got the power to cut through dense hard lumber with ease. An anti-snag lower guard fitted with ball bearings ensures the lower guard moves fluidly as cut through lumber of varying thicknesses. The lower guard will never jam even with all those dust generated in your cuts, and it will always move freely or stay put depending on the thickness of the lumber you're cutting. One part of corded circular saws that usually suffers a lot during usage are the cords. They get pulled a lot and usually get damaged after some time, depending on the level of abuse. The Dewalt DWE575SB features a tough cord protection system that gives 3x strength to the cord and protects them against pull-outs and abuse of any kind. At number 3, we have the Skilsaw SPT77WML01 Worm Drive Circular Saw. When it comes to making circular saws, Skil makes some of the best ones. The Skilsaw SPT77WML01 is a saw geared to power through hard lumber effortlessly, just like the Dewalt Worm Drive saw I talked about above. Apart from the saw handles, which are rubberized, the whole saw comprising the shoe plate and the blade covers are all made of magnesium metal to make the saw as light as possible. Even with all the gearing and power it boasts, the saw weighs just 11.6 pounds. If you've used other worm drive saws before, you'll know that this one is really lightweight, but it's still got the same power. A good depth adjustment lever ensures you can adjust the blade according to the thickness of the material you're cutting. Overall, whether you're a seasoned carpenter or a simple homeowner looking for a premium quality saw to meet your needs, the Skilsaw SPT77WML01 is a very good option to consider. It's got the power, the precision, and it's made to withstand heavy-duty use. At number 2, we have the Makita 5477NB Hypoid Saw. The Makita 5477NB Hypoid Saw is a variation of the popular worm drive circular saw. However, instead of the common worm gearing, Makita fits the 5477NB with a hypoid gear which increases the contact surface between the gearing and thus results in the transmission of more torque to the blade. It's the ideal saw for you if you always deal with dimensional and engineered lumber, like plywood, OSB, LVL and the rest. If you're looking for a saw to build a deck, frame a building, roof a building or even build a hardwood floor that requires you to cut and use engineered lumber, then I'd advise you consider choosing the Makita 5477NB for the job. And finally at number 1, we have the Makita 5007 Malagasy Ariaries. The Sidewinder circular saw that properly describes the words, strong, tough, powerful, lightweight and feature-rich is the Makita 5007 Malagasy Ariaries circular saw. From a design perspective, you can quickly tell from the moment you unbox it that the Makita 5007 Malagasy Ariaries is well constructed. A lot can be said about any circular saw when you hold it in your hands for the first time. The way the handle feels, the clearance between the handle and the blade housing are all things to consider. The Makita 5007 Malagasy Ariaries has a very good rubberized handles that allows you to grip the saw firmly with comfort. There's also enough clearance between the saw rear handle and the blade case, which really makes it easy and comfortable for anyone no matter the size of your hand to hold the blade properly without your knuckles rubbing against the blade cover. The ducting design of the blade housing also helps to blow away wood dust away from the cut line as you make your cuts. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.